Now this is really exciting, part of a new range of toys by RiiRoo. Our Range Rover Evoque 2020 licensed 12-volt battery electric ride-on car is a big hit with all our customers this year, and probably the biggest thing to hit our stores in a long time. This is actually one of the best replicas on the market with the exact same smooth lines as the original. It's suitable for children of up to 6 years of age or up to 115 centimeters in height. Let's take a look at some of the standard features. Functioning lights, start-up engine sounds, integrated multimedia console, 2.4 gigahertz parental remote control, functioning horn, official brand stickers and badges, opening doors, and a safety belt.
If you enjoyed today's video, please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more great content.
Let's take a look at the premium features. All-wheel suspension maintains ride comfort on uneven surfaces. Soft EVA tyres makes the ride more comfortable for your child whilst giving the car more grip. 3-way key start with keys included. The 5-point safety harness gives you peace of mind that your child is completely safe. Padded leather style seats. The spray painted finish is like no other car on the market. This also has an integrated touchscreen media center with MP4. This is the first in its range. We give our customers the option to purchase our key-shaped USB sticks, which are compatible with this ride-on's onboard media player. Our dust and rain covers come in a range of sizes to suit all our ride-ons. If you would like to buy one of these great products, then go to our website at RiiRoo.com, where we offer free next day delivery as long as you live in the UK mainland and place your order before 1 PM.